Welcome back, guys. This is Mick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a walk around on a 1969 Mustang Fastback. Just did the test drive, took it down the road. This one does have the 351 under the hood. It's bossed up, but it's not a real one. It's just got the stripe kit on it. We'll be doing a walk around, pointing out any kind of flaws that we can find, check the interior out, check the trunk out, and start her up. If you're interested in this car, I did a test drive video. We just got back. It was pretty good, so definitely go over and check that out. I'll link it to the end of this video as well. All right, guys, starting up here in the front, you can tell somebody's already replaced the front bumper and the lower valence there. It's been replaced as well. The grill's in good shape. Headlights look pretty nice. Paint on this car is nice and straight looking. I mean, looking down the sides for any kind of rust, flaws, chips, scratches, anything that I can find. The tires are in good shape on this car as well. The sticker here has got some bubbles under the sticker. I think that's all that is. That doesn't feel like, actually it's going away as I rub on it. So yes, it's just the bubbles, air bubbles under the stickers there. That's not rust. I can push it away. Checking the bottoms of the door on all the way down. It's still got some more up under the stickers here. I'm just pushing them around just to be sure. The hood is in a flat black. Windshield does have some light scratches right here. Louvers on the back. Same flat on the trunk and the wing. Tires on the back have good tread. Back bumper's been replaced. Exhaust coming out both sides on the back here. Tail lights do have some cracking in the plastic. Something I don't like so much is the way they painted right here. Weather stripping looks good around the trunk. It looks new. We'll go ahead and pull this mat up. It's a fairly new mat here. Try not to rip any wiring out. Light. A little bit of moisture in this trunk. It has been raining a lot. It's hard to keep water out of these classics. All right, we looked all the way around the trunk there and see how it shuts down. Nice and solid. A little chip in the paint right here. A blemish there as well. Sitting a little high right here in the corner on the trunk lid. There's a chip up in the corner. Been some body work done back here in the corner. Like I said, on these bubbles that are popping up, that's under the sticker kit. I'm just kind of rubbing on them, seeing if there's air up under there, and there is. I can push them bubbles all around. It's just getting trapped up under the stripe kit, making sure it's not rust though. I don't want y'all to show up like, oh, it was rust. No, it's air up under the stripe kit. Little body work's been done right here as well. You can see it. All right, we've made it all the way around the car. We're gonna jump on the interior now, check everything else out, and get her started up. I will be giving you some undercarriage shots towards the end of the video. The seat's not all tore up in here. It's a little bit dusty in the corner. It's probably some of the stuffing in it from where I just did the test drive. Headliner's a bit wrinkly in this one. You can see up in the corners there. Package tray's in good shape. The dash looks pretty good. It's not all messed up. The door panel on this one, we're gonna check it out. Handle's messed up. It's got some splits. Weather stripping looks decent around the door. Car used to be red. At least this door was. All right, checking up underneath the door here. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? B&M shifter in the floor. Aftermarket radio I couldn't get to cut on. The blower motor does work. It's blowing out the dash right now. Gas gauge is up to about quarter tank. I believe it works, along with the temperature gauge is showing that it's coming up as well. The tach does not work. It's not hooked up. Oil pressure gauge is there, but I don't think it's hooked up either. Showing 7,900 miles. Windshield wipers work on this one. All right, guys, do you think the horn works? You ready? No horn. You just got to yell out the window on this car. Pretty quiet motor. You can hear a little bit of an exhaust leak coming from this side. It's like older exhaust. It's very small right now. So. We'll go ahead and shut the hood down. It's nice and light. And you got to put your clips back in it. It doesn't, but it does lock. All right, I'm gonna give y'all some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up here in the front, go to the driver's side, the rear, and the passenger side. And we're gonna go to another car today, get some more test drives done. Let's look up under here. I do have close to 100 detailed pictures you can check out on my website at maplemotors.com. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day to help y'all out and know exactly what you're coming to buy when you come down here. If you want to check out more videos, all you got to do is type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors, and you can pull up any of our cars. Go to maplemotors.com to see all of our inventory, and we also have financing and shipping information on there, so don't miss out on that. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Thanks again.